Hey everybody, hope y'all doing well today. I'm doing okay, I guess. Tired. This time of year, I leave the doors to the store open because that's part of my office as well. Because, there's still people that come in and want to shop, but usually it's one or two a day, and it's pretty manageable, but fuck. I had people in and out all day, and me trying to do payroll and just my regular shit, man. It's just wore me out. Maybe when I get rested after I eat and all that jazz, I can think of some more things to talk about, and maybe not. Who knows? This might be a very short video, but we'll just have to wait and see. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Joy of joys, I'm so tired that I don't have anything to talk about. Too tired to think. Didn't do great at my lottery. Didn't totally lose, so that's fine. I have something to work with next week. That's all. I'll have my fortunes for y'all. I'll have a movie review and Operation Fat Ass tomorrow, and hopefully I'll have more energy. And we'll see y'all then. Have a good evening. Bye. Yeah, I don't think so. They always do in any week. And I don't think so.